Yeah, he's just like KL Rahul of Indian team, playing anywhere and everywhere and doing really well.
He's been a Swiss Army knife, fitting in where he's
Sir, that's it.
sort of
So is Nikit now. He's been used everywhere, singles, doubles,
Guys, the
and
all-important
he's
second
showing up
double is about to start.
like all.
The team which wins this is guaranteed a game breaker. As they cannot be
Karunesh will be able to hold this
before that.
Yeah, ideally that's what we want.
I think we have the most good-looking single eligible bachelors playing this men's doubles today.
I think it's an important fixture for Nandi Chargers as Sam is probably going to play the mixed double. So Nandi would definitely want to get this win in and force Sami to lose, and then they get a win out of this thing.
0-0-2.
I think it's time we give some nicknames to the players at this point. We've got Dulhe Raja Akshat, the newlywed. What do you think about Girish, bro?
Love all one.
a tough one. Actually, you put me on the spot because Navar Bhai Girish.
How about Girish?
Why? Love all two.
A wonderful smash from Dulhe Raja to Love Boy Girish.
What do you call Nikit then?
What? What do you say?
It's out. Out.
Good. Okay, let's call him good looking NRI. What do you mean, guys? I like
It's
that.
out.
Good looking NRI. Let's go.
Adil, Indila ke line.
Alright, we've got all three languages English, Hindi, and
That's the poll.
Karunesh is the only one.
Point.
Yeah. I mean, both of them in different ways.
Not a good looking
yeah.
shot at all. I
yeah.
guess Karunesh is star boy. Let's go with star boy for that. I like that.
So far, scores still at 0.
Yeah.
A
Was that
good
in or
lead
out?
and
It's out. Out.
Out. Apparently
Sanjay
it's out.
from
Sanjay
Sibaka
asking
says
for a DRS.
it's in.
Out.
Ball's called out.
And then Navya insisting them.
For the first time, we
Take
are
the DRS.
to the DRS.
Yeah, it's the first time today.
And Navya now quaking up. Navya making a way over here.
We
Absolute.
are chanting for Navya now. She's the commissioner of the team. Declared for receiving our DRS. Yeah, we will have a DRS now. There is another product by that.
Navya meanwhile making her way to the.
Guys, if you're wondering what the delay all about, there is a decision review system in place here. So we'll check if the ball has indeed landed out.
Guys, let's see how accurate we are.
I think it is in.
Karunesh with his sharp eyes feels that the ball is definitely out.
It's a 50-50 chance that if they decide to call it in. Because I saw one umpire saying in and one umpire saying out.
That doesn't excuse our confidence.
Akshat meanwhile
Me all the
nonchalant
way.
as
No wonder
ever.
they took the DRS. We're definitely seeing a lot more crowd.
Dulhe Raja coming over to the monitors to take a look at it. Meanwhile, slowly making it over here. Slowly claiming it's out as usual. Slowly became here with your shades, I call it out. Give me your shades, I'll call it out, bro. I got bounce out. Alright.
Good banter here. I think eager to wait no more.
The temperatures are dropping. Request the players to keep warming up because this might take a lot of time. Meanwhile, the spectators can warm up with beverages of their choice in the lounge area.
Dulhe Raja and Starboy are leading 1-0. Good looking NRI.
In the social area, the bar is is open.
Loverboy
The
game.
food doesn't matter, but it's still open. So please go for it. Repeating
Yeah,
again, the
right.
bar is open.
As expected. I'd love to see it. I think they're not.
I hope they show it because
Unsuccessful. Ball is out.
Predictions.
I don't know. This is gonna be. I think it's still dependent on how well Nandi plays.
The ball is falling.
So the ball was called out. I think.
102. Five.
Mule Raja giving it to Loverboy
202.
for the second time in the game. Loverboy not liking it at all.
Excited to watch Girish play because
Point. Side out.
I've been told like he's one of the most exciting players.
Love to one.
The young prospects of the league. I think he's 21, if I'm correct. So, great by Nandi. Really he's fit into different roles. Like we just said.
0-2-2.
But yeah, now we're at 0-2 with the Nandi. So,
Yeah, what are your predictions with this match? Where do you
Side
think
out.
it's going to go? Who's side?
1.
I think All Stars might actually break it. I have a feeling.
Yeah, Akshat is really a good guy and I think he can carry Karunesh. Even I would go with All-Star, but I want Nandi to win as I want to see a dream breaker.
Yeah. I mean, Akshat is actually a very, very good player, good doubles player. Him and Trishant have played a lot of games together.
Yeah. We actually lost once or twice to them.
Point.
Oh. He missed that like there's no tomorrow, guys. I think my grandma could have hit that message.
All-Star so far cruising comfortably 3-0.
we have one guy with great eyesight. Abhay.
Good victory by Karunesh and crazy on the round so far. They all have Oh, that's a great
Good
drop.
reflexes.
An amazing point going to Nandi. They're killing it.
Akshat
We
receive.
all loved that rally out there. It was extraordinary to watch. Went on for a while. We were all quiet, mum. Just trying to see who was going to win that point. And
That shows the intensity of the match. It's going to be till the end. I want Nandi to win, but let's see. It can go either ways, but yeah, I want Nandi to win. Yeah.
1-3-1. Point. 1-3-2.
Okay, one.
seeing his drop.
Out. 2-3.
Extremely aggressive.
After the first two pickups, I think
Point. Side out. 3-2-1.
that's not really
Point. 3-2.
Not a bad miss by
from Dule Raja.
Akshat. Yeah, I think it's the nerves which is making him miss.
Reserve.
So Nandi has gotten back from 3-love to 3-2. And they're going strong so far. They broke them easy without
2-3.
Let him-
1.
Yeah, without any damage, they broke both of their serves and Nikit to serve now. That's a near miss. Good try by Girish. He tried to pull him out, but yeah, he missed. Good leave by Akshat though.
Yeah, Akshat's got very good game.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree. He's very calm, very quiet with his game, and like you said, he doesn't make too much noise. But yeah, he does his job. I think it's just the commentator's curse. But yeah, he's still there in the game. Now Nandi is up 4-3. Giri serving. It's an interesting strategy by Girish by speeding up third balls on Akshat, but I think you should slow it down and get them in. But you never know what their strategist, Mr. Sanjay, told them to do. Nikit actually doing a great job on dinking and putting everything low.
3-4-2.
Akshat tried to be too optimistic. Yeah, that's a good drop shot by Karnesh and tough luck to Girish.
Good boys so far. 4-4.
Karnesh actually doing a good job calming Akshat down as well. Good pick up. Keeping balls alive. The All-Stars got away with that one. I think both Akshat and Karunesh is communicating with each other. But the charge is better. Whoa! Is that Yuvraj Singh? God damn, that was huge. Oh, I thought that was Superman, bro. That was a pretty horrible lead.
4-6. 1.
Massive lapse in judgment from Akshat.
Great point and great hands by Karunesh there. Girish missing it out on a bit. He was just too late. Karunesh was too fast with his hands. Let's see if this. I was hoping that this point would be better than that, but Karunesh missed it. I think it's just the nerves that everyone. No, I was just saying that I think it's just the nerves of finishing the point early, and they tend to miss. Oh, great! Almost a great pick by Karunesh, but yeah, Nikit being lucky on his end.
Nikit be like, sorry, not sorry. Dude.
Six all 2.
Never sorry.
I'm never sorry.
We do say so. Inside we're all happy.
Point. 7-6-2.
Yeah. Exactly what I was going to say.
Both the teams make leads. Both the teams lost the leads.
Out.
Good one from Karunesh.
6-7-1.
So very good overhead.
Yeah, good pick though, but the second one was unsuccessful.
Point. 7 all.
Looks like we're seeing a replay on the other side. The last one, Akshat just missed the same way.
Extremely tight.
Yeah, it's going to be a long
We-
match.
I don't think we ever got to the prediction for this game. He didn't say anything.
It's going to be a long match.
It's going to be a tight game. Nice try.
Nice fancy try by Karunesh, but he,
Tried a tweener, didn't work, but
yeah, to be fair, he didn't have a choice. He
Yeah.
just right in his,
100%.
right in the middle of his. There you go, 7-all again. This is a
Oh, what a lead.
tough luck by Nikit,
I
but
was talking about composure and being calm. Akshat, very, very calm.
yeah,
I think it's a very good judge of where the ball was going, how fast it was.
This is your long time out.
yeah, Nikit being on the other side, you should always expect speed up anytime and every time from any part of the court. But yeah, it's a good lead, like you said. It's good judgment by Akshat. I think he was moving initially. Before even Niket was hitting the ball, he moved a bit and then it was really easy for him to leave the ball.
I think we've got some fun bouncing castle. All the teams which got eliminated can go play there.
Yeah, players to the
You
goal.
want me to go and play up there?
Rishabh, you're fine. You're good here.
And wait for Rishabh to go jump there.
That was definitely a personal attack by Abhay.
We will have a live stream of Rishabh jumping on the bouncing castle.
I just checked the weight and height on the thing and it said 40 kilos. I don't think I can ever fit in that. A good pickup by Karunesh and a great point so far. Let's see if this is going to be the best point of the match so far. It's going great. Two people in the back picking up everything and anything. Oh, great one. Oh, that's a super point by both of them. Girish and Niket trying to finish everything, and on the other side, All Stars picking up everything possible.
You gotta give it a finish.
Yeah, there were a few good resets by Karunesh, but that's a
7-8.
great try, good strategy, but it was right in hands of Karunesh, and he was too quick to finish it off. Let's see if it's gonna go 9-8 to Nandi as it's been going. 2 points are there. Or are they gonna, looks like they're gonna break this.
Side out. 8-7-1.
One of those serves that were very important for Nandi to get a point. But 2 points on that.
Point.
After
9-7.
barely giving himself legality there. Barely leave it under. Just have to accept it. Yes. Give them a tight place.
Just out.
9-7-2.
Rather today being the Mavericks home.
It's a triple header. The second game being the Mavericks playing coming up in a couple of years. I thought I was out. Beautiful point from Karunesh and
10-7-2.
insane defense.
Players don't call him the middle.
Oh yes. I think Karunesh is going to win it.
No, that's a great point by All Stars, and looks like All Stars are. That's a great lead by Niket. Little showboating, but it worked out. It was a good lead.
Just so you know,
Good job by Girish. And let's see how. Good try by him, but he misses it out.
back there and go a bit ball. How do you do that?
That's a good drop, and Niket, there you go, fix it. Great pick back. That's
wow.
an amazing point by both
Horrible
of them.
errors on the trot.
Niket being himself. Great cover by.
And one from Akshat, I think.
Yeah.
Both
Great.
teams are not fond of it.
Yeah, great pick by Niket, and equally a great cover by Girish to get that point. Karunesh being really vocal so that they don't miscommunicate. That's a great point by Girish. An amazing pierce through them, and it was a great point. They're taking a review, and we are hoping to see it on the big screen this time.
Personally, I thought I was out. Personally, I only thought I was out. So I think I
That's the second
didn't
review being used by the All Stars. The score being 10-9 in favor of All Stars currently. First review. It's the 10th of December. First review, sorry, my bad. 10th of December, the temperature might fall below 10. The entertainment for sure is 10 out of 10. The limit to the number of pegs is surely not 10. So guys, again the social area is open, the bar is open. Log on to Swiggy and Zomato, search for Asli and use the coupon code Sanjay espresso and get free food.
Just making sure people use this week.
Well, Kavya not staying loyal to Asli. Eating from Scoozy. Great graphic, it'd be lovely if I could see it on screen as well. You'll see it. I think it's a very key decision. Personally, I thought it looked out, but again, I'm on the far end of the court, so a parallax error is very, very possible.
His prediction was that it looked out.
Definitely looked out to me. But again, I couldn't tell since I'm sitting on the far side.
Good momentum going on. You take a DRS and slow down the game. Use it as a strategy or not, Abhay?
But I think it's a good point if they are 10-8 down. I don't think they were 10-9, it was 10-8.
What is given to the DRS is shown if it's
Some people are pissed they can't see the DRS on screen.
We've got the other Sid ready here at the box. Last time he was the picture says Sid, what are your thoughts about the picture so far?
I think HPL is living up to the promise of what Hyderabad deserves. It's been very, very exciting. As you can see, this actually is its first season. And first season, a brand new sport, pickleball, which just actually came in less than a year ago. Imagine 600 or 1,000 people showing up for the semi-finals, not even the finals. I mean, I think the numbers speak for themselves.
600,000 is a huge number though.
Always good to have Sid at the commentary.
You know what, do the tricks, some back court, and you know what.
Yeah, Diet Coke is it? Waiting for the DRS to be there. Extraordinary graphic is taken. So far this fixture's lived up to the hype.
So far so good, right?
2-2 in the back. The Chargers serving.
I think it's taking usually long to come up with the decision. Richard's being loud enough for you guys to know what's happening.
Review unsuccessful. Ball is in.
Ball's called in, guys. I guess the parallax error was right.
Wrong this whole time.
Point for 9-10-2. Side out. 10-9.
Great speed up by Akshat to Nikit. He was not ready. Initially, it was a good thinking battle to them, but then
As I said, I don't think the teams are warmed up. I think they can cool down after the long break.
yeah, looks like Nikit is all cool now.
Yeah, a bit too cool.
Yeah, I think he got 2 matches break, right? He played singles and women's singles. All Stars 2-point lead again. There you go. They get into a big battle again. I think this is gonna be a long point. No, I'm wrong.
12-9.
Yeah, Giri is just trying to be
I would have smashed it all day, but great lead by Karnesh.
Nandi charges.
I think
Sometimes
he
the
should
read of the
have
game
been a
is
little more
extreme.
patient. But yeah, it happens.
Sometimes the read of the game is so important. If you understanding when to listen to your partner.
For sure. I think
A
Chargers.
timeout at a very crucial time. The All-Stars leading by
Very crucial
12
for the
points to
Chargers
9.
to
For the information of the spectators,
game
the
would be
DRS
top
review
two players
will be
of
shown live on the
All-Stars
big
playing.
screen. Navya
Sam
is
and,
the third umpire
and substitutes
who
him.
watches the close calls inside a closed secluded area which cannot be accessed by anybody.
Really need to read
But she's right here right now and she has given me this
going
information.
as per the expectations.
The All-Stars leading currently 12 points to 9 in this all-important match 5 with the battle tied at 2 games apiece.
And rightly so. I think she's asking them to perk up a bit.
Yeah.
Fair
Saidi
enough.
bumping up her team.
Fair play to Saidi. Likewise, I think Soli and Ravi are doing a good job keeping Karnesh around.
2 and 9-1.
From this calm as he shoves it. I've lost him.
Point. 39-1.
Rishabh being very
yeah.
nice to his friend Karnesh.
Yeah, true that. He thrashed me. A great pick by Girish and a good finish by Karunesh to get their team to match point 14-9. It's a great pick by Girish though, but yeah.
Quickly we're at match point.
I don't think the hand signs worked there for Vijay.
Point.
Some luck coming Girish way.
Girish is
49-2.
An
Especially
extremely
now.
crucial point
That's
right
cool.
now. If break happens too, Nandi might have a chance to come back.
I still reckon. I think Nandi still has a chance to come back. Oh, that's a great finish by Karunesh. Looks like Karunesh is in crazy form. He's all hyped up. And he gets All-Stars their win.
Redemption for Karunesh after going down in his singles.